Hello everyone. Today we are demonstrating another GPS unit. It comes with the unit itself, which is very nice, high quality. Comes with a charging cable, comes with a little storage pouch, and also it comes with your manual. This does have a magnetic feature. It's magnetic. I will demonstrate that soon here on my car. So with it being magnetic, you have other options. You can mount it under the car on your frame. Once you get the cover open, it does have your slot for a SIM card and your charging port. It does have a blue light indicating that it is on. It turns on when you insert the SIM card, and it shuts off when you remove the SIM card. Now, as this takes a SIM card, but with that, it does give you the option of real-time alerts. I've set a geofence on the app. I'll display that, show that in a minute. It does have a overspeed alarm, vibration alarm, shock alarm, which it will send alerts to your phone in real time. Like in my location here, I've set up a geofence on my home. And anytime it leaves my geofence area around my home, I get an alert. So these real-time alerts are great because if your vehicle gets stolen or so forth, it'll send you a real-time immediate alert. You can pull up the app and you can look on there, it'll show where it is on a map. So you always have the option of knowing where your vehicle is at all times, which is very nice for this unit. Here I will demonstrate the app and the other features it has. Okay, as I previously mentioned, this does have a magnetic mounting option. As you can see, I've mounted on the frame of my vehicle. So it's a very nice feature to have. Okay, everything else will be demonstrated through the app, which is very nice. It works really well. Now, as you see here, it has a geofence function. Now, to add a geofence, I added my home. So to add a geofence, you can name your home, and then you just tap on the longitude button, and it shows where it's at. And you can click this little memory card symbol up in the right-hand corner, and that'll save it. But I've already set mine, and as I said, that it will alert you when it's out of your geofence. And then it does have a historical route feature. You can check back 6 months of your routes. And here I'm going to search for today. Here's a trip I took today in my area, and it shows my exact route, which is really nice. And this, as you can track your routes for the past 6 months, like if you have a fleet of vehicles and you're monitoring those, and you can tell if it's unauthorized, if it's been in any unauthorized areas for your company. So this is a very nice feature. And even for the person at home, you can track your routes, and it can help you in calculating your distance traveled and everything per month. So this is a very nice feature. I really like this device. It works great. You go through and you just set your number. It has your overspeed alarm, your time zone, and your GPS. And you just set the alarms to your number, and you will receive your overspeed alarms and anti-theft alarm. If it shakes or vibrates, it'll send you an alarm. So overall, this is a great unit, and I highly recommend it.